Hi Sam. It's great to see you again. Today, we're exploring the word
miteinander.
Hi Alex.
Miteinander.
What does that mean?
Miteinander.
means together or with each other. It's commonly used when talking about collaboration or relationships. For example, you might say,
Wir arbeiten miteinander.
which means we work together.
That makes sense. Is there anything I should watch out for with this word?
Yes, be careful with false friends. The English word in term might seem similar, but it doesn't capture the same essence of togetherness that
Miteinander.
does.
So, how do we use
Miteinander.
in sentences?
Great question.
Miteinander.
Is an adverb, so it doesn't change form. It's often used with verbs. For example, you can say,
Wir leben miteinander.
which means we live together.
And how would I use it in the past tense?
You can say,
Wir haben miteinander gelebt.
meaning we lives together. It uses
Haben.
because it's a regular verb.
Got it.
In the imperative, you might say,
Lebt miteinander.
which translates to live together.
Where does
Miteinander.
come from?
It's a compound word formed from,
Mit.
meaning with and,
Einander.
meaning each other. The roots date back to Old High German.
That's interesting.
Yes, it reflects a long history of emphasizing community and connection in the German language.
Can you break down?
Miteinander.
For me.
Absolutely. First, we have the prefix,
Mit.
which means with. Then there's the root,
Einander.
where,
Ein.
means one and,
Ander.
means other, so it literally refers to one another.
That makes it easier to remember.
Definitely. The head last rule applies here, so the gender of the compound word follows the last noun, which in this case is neutral.
What are some similar words to
Miteinander.
There are plenty. For example,
Zusammen.
means together but isn't a compound. Then we have words with the same prefix like,
Mitkommen.
meaning to come along, and
Mitspielen.
meaning to play along.
What about suffixes?
Sure. Words like
Mitteilung,
meaning communication and
Mitarbeiter,
meaning coworker also use.
mit,
And are there more examples?
Yes. Theirs.
miteinander leben,
Meaning to live with each other.
mitgestalten,
Meaning to shape together, and
Mitverantwortung,
meaning joint responsibility.
Can we practice using?
miteinander,
In real-life situations.
Of course. Imagine you're at work. You could say,
wir sollten miteinander sprechen,
which means we should talk with each other.
Let me try.
wir sollten miteinander arbeiten.
Perfect. That means we should work together.
What about another situation?
Alright, think of a family gathering. You might say,
wir feiern miteinander,
meaning we celebrate together.
I'll say,
Wir essen miteinander.
Excellent. That means we eat together.
and how about while traveling?
You could say,
wir reisen miteinander,
which means we travel together.
Let me try.
Wir lernen miteinander.
Close. That means we learn together.
Is there a memory hint for remembering the gender?
Since
miteinander,
is neutral, think of it like a community that embraces everyone. A vivid image of people holding hands can help.
What are some common phrases that use?
Miteinander.
Sure. You often hear,
miteinander arbeiten, miteinander lieben,
and
miteinander sprechen.
Are there any common confusions with other words?
yes, sometimes learners mix up
Miteinander,
with,
aufeinander,
which means on each other.
Can you give me some example sentences with?
Miteinander.
Certainly. For instance,
wir sind glücklich miteinander.
means we are happy together.
That sounds nice.
Another one is,
Die Kinder spielen miteinander.
meaning the children play together.
I like that.
Also,
Wir haben lange miteinander gesprochen.
means we talked for a long time together.
I see how it fits in many contexts.
Let's do a quick recall check. What does
Miteinander,
mean?
It means together or with each other.
Great. How do you say we celebrate together in German?
Wir feiern miteinander.
Correct. What's the past tense form?
Wir haben miteinander gefeiert.
Perfect. What's the command form?
Feiert miteinander.
Awesome. Lastly, what's the prefix of?
miteinander,
It's
mit,
Fantastic job today, Sam. The key takeaway is that
miteinander,
emphasizes togetherness and collaboration.
Thanks, Alex. I feel more confident using it now.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and see you next time.